last 2 years, because of the COVID challenges, we were not able to have the festival in this manner. And therefore today it gives me extreme pleasure and joy and happiness to be here amongst all of you, to be able to celebrate the Behdienkhlam festival, to be here to celebrate our culture, to celebrate the faith, and to celebrate the identity of the people of our state. As a government, we have always believed that we must always support and promote the culture, the heritage, and the identity of the people of our state. Through many programs and many schemes, in the past 4.5 years, we have been giving financial assistance in terms of running expenditure, as well as to improve the overall infrastructure for the celebration of these kind of festivals of the people of our state. Just this morning, I had been taken by the Raij Mukhla President and others to see the Yungdwai that is right on top of this hillock, and they requested that financial assistance be given to renovate the place. And hence I'm happy to announce that along with the Honorable MLA, Meghalaya Mikishila, we will ensure that this place is renovated and necessary funds will be given to improve and to renovate this place of worship. At the same time, the Honorable MLA has also informed me that there has to be some investment in the infrastructure in this area also, including a tourism project that was done many years back, but is lying unutilized. I want to assure him and the people of this area that all the necessary funds and projects that need to be taken up, either through the central scheme of Swadesh Darshan or through the state scheme, the support of the government will be there in order to renovate and improve the overall infrastructure, not just in this place, but in all the other places where such kind of infrastructure is required to ensure that such kind of celebration continues. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you on this Behdienkhlam festival, a festival where we celebrate to ensure that we drive out all the evils and plagues that are there in our society. And I was very happy to hear the youth, the Singh Samla, who mentioned about how they have taken up this agenda and issue of saying no to drugs. I encourage all the other youth groups and the Singh Samlas to ensure that they adopt this so that we have a brighter future for our youth. With these few words, once again I thank you all. Kublai Shipun, Matela, and thank you.
Move forward, I would like to thank MBCL for arranging. Showing your concern our new life. Need an innovation and you have promised that you will help. Thank you so much, sir. So I'll request let's give a round of applause for our achievements, sir. And also, sir, I would like to thank you for the skill and the knowledge which you
Hachwao liwan pijar lagi yung kisempi. Kublay Behdienkhlam yang oi pi suchisin. Kublay Behdienkhlam. Wo blai.